And now, your weather authority, Ron Young. Certified the most accurate forecast in the ArkLaTex.
Welcome back, everybody. We've got a good-looking day over in Marshall, Texas. In fact, it's a good-looking day across all the ArkLaTex. Mostly cloudy sky across a good portion of the area, and no rain except for one little shower, and that's in the southwestern parts of Columbia County, Arkansas, kind of north of Spring Hill, Louisiana. As far as our wind speeds, we've got a little bit of wind over in the Longview area, 13 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour in Texarkana, 9 in Shreveport and in Marshall, 13-mile-an-hour winds down in Mansfield. So we're picking up a little wind here and there, but everything else is less than 10 miles an hour. So that's not helping, and the humidity is not helping. My goodness. We are stuck with humidity, and it's going to stay tropical, even though our system is long gone. Tropical system, we're going to be left with some tropical feeling air. Most of the humidity levels are from 40% into the 50% range. One of the lowest, Manny, down there at 35%. The highest is in Minden at 63%. So it is muggy. And taking a look at earlier today, right here, that's it. That was the 5 to 9 inch range of rainfall from thunderstorms that sat over Union Parish and Union County, Arkansas, most of the morning. That was a lot of rain. And stationary front, no hope for anything here. We're losing all of our chances of rain. And on the East Coast, well, it's just off the coast. No longer a tropical storm. It is now just a little low pressure system. And we are not looking at any development in the Gulf. There is quite a bit of rain in the Gulf, but that is it. And as far as us with the clouds, as we go on through the 11 o'clock hour, most of those clouds will thicken up somewhat, and that's going to be the routine. We're going to have a lot of moisture in the ground, and we're going to see cloudy overnight, and that's going to be stifling as far as the heat goes. Tomorrow, 7 p.m., we will have had a sunny day, and I hope you have a fantastic 4th of July. I'm thinking about some hamburgers on the grill for tomorrow afternoon. We'll see. I'll let you know. As far as Tuesday, 7 a.m., the clouds are coming back once again and again. Yep, we have plenty of sunshine for the day. And believe me, it is going to be warm. We're going to probably have a week of heat advisories. And as we go into next week, looks like more of the same. Significant rain is probably going to be at least 2 weeks away. Now, a little puzzling thing here. Why does Futurecast think we're going to have some showers on Wednesday? I'm not following that one. And as we get into Futurecast in your Thursday 7 a.m., nope, no rain. And the drought, getting worse with a moderate drought across a good chunk of the area. So here is your forecast. It includes heat and sunshine, upper 90s. Tomorrow you'll have a great day for the 4th of July. We stay in the upper 90s, go into the hundreds Friday and Saturday, and 99 on your Sunday. And note, not much rain in there at all. Keep it here. We'll be right back.